The DJI Osmo Action series has become one of the biggest rivals to GoPro, and now all eyes are on the upcoming DJI Action 7. While DJI has not officially announced the camera yet, multiple leaks and industry reports suggest that the next-generation action camera could arrive before the end of 2026, with meaningful upgrades rather than a complete redesign. If the rumors prove accurate, the Action 7 could be DJI's most capable action camera yet, targeting vloggers, travelers, cyclists, and professional content creators who demand excellent image quality in a compact body. The biggest rumored improvement is the camera sensor. Reports indicate DJI may upgrade from the current 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor to a larger 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing the camera to capture more light and deliver noticeably better low-light performance. A larger sensor also means improved dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and more natural colors, making sunrise, sunset, and nighttime footage look significantly better. If DJI combines this hardware with its advanced image processing, the Action 7 could become one of the strongest low-light action cameras on the market. Video capabilities are also expected to receive a major boost. Several leaks suggest the Action 7 could support 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, alongside 4K recording at higher frame rates for smooth, slow-motion footage. DJI is also expected to retain 10-bit D-Log color, HLG recording, RockSteady, and RockSteady stabilization, while introducing an upgraded AI-powered stabilization system that delivers even smoother footage during running, mountain biking, skiing, or handheld shooting. These improvements would give creators more flexibility during editing without sacrificing image quality. Battery life has always been one of DJI's strengths, and the Action 7 is expected to continue that trend. Rumors suggest slightly longer recording times, thanks to a more efficient processor and optimized power management. Fast charging is also likely to remain, allowing users to quickly return to filming without long waiting times. Like previous models, the camera is expected to feature dual touchscreens, magnetic quick-release mounting, waterproof construction, and compatibility with DJI's growing ecosystem of accessories and wireless microphones. Artificial intelligence could play a larger role this time as well. Improved subject tracking, smarter exposure adjustments, enhanced noise reduction, and faster autofocus are all expected. DJI has been investing heavily in AI across its product lineup, so it would not be surprising to see Action 7 introduce more intelligent shooting modes designed specifically for content creators and vloggers. These software improvements could make the camera easier to use while delivering more professional-looking footage straight out of the camera. Pricing appears to remain competitive. Current expectations place the standard combo between $349 and $429, while premium bundles with extra batteries, mounts, and accessories could reach around $579. DJI has historically kept its action camera prices aggressive compared to competing flagship models, making the Action 7 attractive for users seeking premium performance without an excessive price increase. As for the release date, industry observers expect DJI to unveil the Action 7 during September or October 2026, following the company's previous launch schedule for the Osmo Action lineup. Although no official announcement has been made, several reports suggest the launch window is approaching quickly. Overall, the DJI Action 7 looks like a promising evolution rather than a complete redesign. The rumored larger 1/1.1-inch sensor, possible 8K recording, stronger AI stabilization, longer battery life, and competitive pricing make it one of the most anticipated action cameras of 2026. The biggest advantages include improved low-light image quality, powerful stabilization, premium video features, rugged, waterproof construction, and excellent value for money. The possible drawbacks are that many upgrades may be incremental, the higher-end bundles could become expensive, and the 8K recording mode may generate larger file sizes while requiring faster memory cards and more powerful editing hardware. If DJI delivers on these expectations, the Action 7 could easily become one of the top action cameras for creators looking to capture professional quality adventures without carrying a much larger camera.